The world is teeming with astonishing facts that continually expand the limits of our comprehension. From the intricacies of the natural world to the captivating behaviors of animals and the curious properties of physics, the universe consistently reveals its wonders. Each discovery challenges our existing knowledge, prompting us to question what we think we know. In an astonishing display of biological adaptability, sloths are capable of holding their breath far longer than dolphins, despite being known for their slow movements. Sloths can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater, significantly more than dolphins, which can only manage 10 minutes. This unusual ability is part of their survival mechanism, enabling them to swim between trees or cross rivers without needing to surface often. Prepare to have your concept of fruit reshaped. Bananas, while not commonly thought of as berries, actually meet all the criteria of botanical berries, while strawberries do not. According to the scientific definition, a berry is a fleshy fruit that develops from a single ovary and contains multiple seeds embedded in its flesh, characteristics that bananas exhibit. In contrast, strawberries develop from multiple ovaries, and their seeds are found on the outside, disqualifying them as true berries. Trees are much more than just a part of the landscape. They are vital to the health of the earth. Trees play a key role in regulating the atmosphere by absorbing carbon dioxide, producing oxygen, and contributing to the water cycle. Some trees, like the ancient bristlecone pines, have lived for over 5,000 years, making them among the oldest living organisms on Earth. The strong root systems of trees help prevent soil erosion, while their canopies provide habitats for countless species of animals and plants. Honey is often referred to as a forever food due to its ability to last indefinitely without spoiling. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. The secret to honey's incredible longevity lies in its unique composition. With a low moisture content and high acidity, honey creates an inhospitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms, preventing decay. Wombats, native to Australia, have earned their place as one of the most unique creatures in the animal kingdom. Known for their cube-shaped feces, wombats produce this unusual waste as a result of their highly specialized digestive system. Their slow metabolism ensures that they extract as many nutrients as possible from their food, while the unique shape of their feces helps prevent it from rolling away, marking their territory more effectively. In addition, wombats have powerful claws that they use for digging extensive burrow systems, which offer protection from predators. The Eiffel Tower, one of the world's most iconic landmarks, has an impressive ability to grow in height during the summer months. Due to the expansion of the iron used to construct it, the tower can increase by up to 6 inches in the heat. This phenomenon occurs because metals expand when exposed to heat, a fundamental principle of physics known as thermal expansion. The temperature variation causes the molecules in the iron to move more freely, resulting in a slight increase in the overall height of the structure. Turtles possess an incredibly unique ability that may surprise you. They can breathe through their butts. This process, known as cloacal respiration, allows certain species of turtles to absorb oxygen through the lining of their cloaca, a multifunctional opening used for excretion and reproduction. This adaptation is especially beneficial for turtles that spend long periods submerged underwater, as it allows them to stay submerged without coming up for air. The human brain, despite weighing only about 3 pounds, operates with an incredible amount of electrical activity. In fact, the brain uses about 20 watts of power, more than a standard light bulb. This electricity is generated by the firing of neurons, which communicate with each other through electrical impulses. These impulses enable everything from basic bodily functions to complex thoughts, emotions, and problem solving. The brain's vast network of neurons is constantly at work, processing information and regulating every aspect of our lives. If you could somehow smell the vacuum of space, you'd likely be greeted with an odor reminiscent of burnt steak and welding fumes. Astronauts have reported that after spending time outside the International Space Station, they notice a distinct smell on their suits and equipment, a combination of metallic and smoky odors. This scent is caused by high-energy particles from the sun interacting with the materials on the spacecraft, creating these particular smells. Butterflies have a fascinating way of interacting with the world around them by tasting with their feet. They have taste sensors located on their legs, which allow them to detect chemicals in plants as soon as they land. This ability helps them find the right plants on which to lay their eggs, ensuring the survival of their larvae. The taste receptors on their feet are so sensitive that they can determine whether the plant is suitable for feeding and growing before they even start feeding. Contrary to popular belief, raindrops are not tear-shaped. While many of us envision raindrops as delicate, teardrop-shaped beads of water, the reality is quite different. Raindrops actually form as spherical shapes when they fall, and as they grow larger, they can become more oblate, flattened at the bottom, due to air resistance. The shape changes depending on the size and speed of the drop. This natural phenomenon highlights how the physics of water and air work together to create the patterns we see during rainfall. The world beneath the ocean's surface is full of mystery and wonder, with ecosystems and creatures so strange they could easily belong to a science fiction novel. From bioluminescent organisms to underwater volcanoes and ancient shipwrecks, the ocean's depths are teeming with life forms that have adapted to extreme conditions. Some deep-sea creatures, like the giant squid, have never been fully studied, and their behavior remains an enigma. The ocean remains one of the least explored regions of our planet, offering endless possibilities for discovery. The human heart has an incredible ability to synchronize with the rhythms of another person's heart. This phenomenon, known as heart rate synchronization, occurs when two people engage in close physical contact, such as hugging or holding hands. Studies have shown that when this happens, their heart rates tend to align over time, creating a sense of emotional connection. This natural synchronization highlights the powerful bond between humans, both physically and emotionally, and underscores the deep invisible connections we share. It may seem subtle, but you are actually taller in the morning than at night. This is because, throughout the day, the weight of your body compresses the cartilage in your spine, causing you to lose a small amount of height. After a night of sleep, your spine has had time to decompress, allowing you to be slightly taller in the morning. This daily fluctuation is a natural process, demonstrating the resilience and flexibility of the human body. Despite appearing light and fluffy, clouds can be incredibly heavy. A single cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds, as it's made up of billions of tiny water droplets suspended in the air. The weight of a cloud is spread out across a vast area, so it doesn't fall as rain immediately. However, when the cloud's water vapor reaches its saturation point, the accumulated weight can cause the rain to fall. This massive weight hidden in the sky is a fascinating reminder of how natural forces are at work even in the most serene and peaceful weather phenomena. As we've explored, the world is full of extraordinary facts that continually inspire awe and wonder. From the remarkable capabilities of creatures like sloths and wombats to the fascinating phenomena in nature and science, each discovery deepens our understanding of the universe. These facts not only challenge our perceptions, but also remind us of the intricate and often surprising ways the world works.